product we're going to review now comes from KastKing, the Easy Fillet Processing Combo. And I ain't gonna lie, I was excited about this one too. So I already opened it, so I know what's on the inside. But you don't yet, unless you have one. So here we go. Just telling you what's up, what's all in there. It comes with a fillet knife. Nice little, let's see. There we go. 25-inch fillet mat. Now I'm not 100% sure of what this mat is made out of. It's either, I'll figure it out and I'll put it I'll put it right down here on the video what it's made out of. But I don't watch so many videos. These guys throw them fish on there and they fillet. They don't slide around. I don't know if y'all ever filleted a fish on a regular cutting board or on the back of your truck. Them little boogers are freaking slimy. They are slimy little boogers. And I tell you what, I haven't had a chance to check the sharpness of this knife out yet. Seems pretty darn sharp, but it comes with a sharpening rod here too, and your knife stays right there when you're not using it, so it ain't laying all over here. But apparently you throw them fish on there, it catches them, you fillet them off, clean them up when you're done with the mat. I mean, what it feels like is them old mud flaps on them trucks. I ain't seen none since I lived down here in Georgia, but in Colorado, man, every truck had mud flaps on them, I guess, you know, keep the rocks and all from flying up and hit other people's windshields. But yeah, I mean, it's like a solid rubber. And I just know, not only for filleting fish, but I think you throw a deer shoulder up here, you throw a deer's hind quarter up here, even a hog. I mean, if you're a hog hunter and you're going to debone that bad boy, throw that ham up here, go to town, get that deboning done, get that meat cut up, put it in the grinder. Now you can, because I don't know if you guys ever done the I don't know if y'all ever deboned quarters, but they're slimy too. There ain't a whole lot that you're going to process yourself that don't have somewhat of slime to it. So this is the Easy Fillet Processing Combo from KastKing, and let me tell you, the link will be in my description for both Amazon and TikTok. So if you're on TikTok, you're going to hit a little button right here. Maybe right in here area. Yeah, well, anyway, I'll put arrows on where that button is. Or you can just look for the orange shopping cart. It's usually orange on TikTok, right? Hit that button and it'll put you right in my showcase. And that's where you could purchase this, and it'll help out the channel. So if you order one of these, I make a very small commission. It's nothing to write home about, but if you want to help grow Dadventures Unleashed, if you like the content that you've seen from me so far, I would like for you to hit the like button, follow or subscribe. Yeah, we do a video, at least one video every day with several companies. We are partnered with Seek. We're partnered with Seek's a protein company, Clear Whey Protein, and let me tell you, man, their flavors are amazing. We've partnered with Crossroad Coffee Traders, and I don't make a commission with them. I just partner with them because I like what they stand for, man. $1 from every purchase, or from every bag, or I'll let you know exactly up here. But the money that they make goes back to giving back to God's kingdom. So it's a very it would mean a lot to me if you would go check them out, follow them on Facebook, order a bag or two of coffee. It is great stuff. The Bali Blue, B-A-L-I-E Blue, is what I'm drinking today, and man, I'm telling y'all, I usually don't put a whole lot of creamer in my coffee, but today I was really feeling, what was it, Christmas spirit, I guess, and it had some peppermint mocha creamer, and I had to try it, and it's good. I'll go ahead and tell y'all it's good.